Hey there, crafters! Welcome to today's tutorial on customizing designs using a free online software called Photopea. If you've ever wanted to add text, change colors, or apply gradients to your PNGs or SVGs, you're in the right place. I'm thrilled to walk you through this simple step-by-step process. After making a purchase from my Etsy shop, you'll receive a PSD file named Photopea Personalization Template by Squared Moon Studio. Head over to photopea.com and let's get started. First, go to File and open the PSD file in Photopea. You can also open it directly from Google Drive. Before we dive in, let me give you a quick tour of Photopea. It closely resembles Photoshop with a few differences. The Layers panel is the heart of this software. I've preloaded some layers for your convenience. The initial layers serve as background tests to see how the design looks on a white and black background. Changing colors is simple. Just double-click and choose your preferred color. Here, you'll find text and various fill and gradient layers. Everything you upload appears in this area, and visibility is controlled using this little eye icon. While there are multiple tools available for this tutorial, we'll primarily use the Move tool, which you can select by simply pressing the V in your keyboard and the Text tool, T. Now let's apply these steps to one of my best-selling designs from 2023, the Family Reunion design. Drag the SVG file onto the canvas or use File, then Open and Place to select the SVG file. Enlarge it as needed and hit Confirm. Make the text layer visible and position it in the personalization area. Adjust font, size, spacing, and case in the text control window. Visually center the text using the keyboard arrows. Once your design is set, it's time to export. But first, let's spice it up. Select the design and text layers, press Ctrl-G if you're using a PC or Command-G if you're using a Mac to group them, make the color fill visible, and then choose a new color or gradient by double-clicking. Finally, export your file by going to File, then Export As, and choose the required file format for your project. I'll opt for PNG. That's a wrap for this tutorial. In our next video, I'll dive deeper into applying gradient colors. Don't forget to hit subscribe to stay updated on more design tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, happy crafting!